Hi guys, I'm Sue from Sue's Creative Workshop, and I'm here today with my grandson Nick, and today we are going to be showing you the June Orange Art Box Kit. So Nick, you haven't seen what's inside. Are you ready to open it up and see what we're going to do this month? Okay, let's see what's inside.
There's like a little fish and some paintbrushes and a big brush, some shells, some pipe cleaners, some cool like some tiny shells and a starfish and stuff. We got some paint, and little stuffed fishy, and little rubber fishy. Got some eyes, and maybe these can be the nose rings or something. Got another little fishy. Maybe we could paint like inside. Then it would look like it's in the ocean or something.
Okay, so that's a shadow box. Those are glue dots.
I don't know what glue dots are, but
We're going to find out, aren't we?
you probably know what glue dots are if you're watching this, but I don't. Hi, and we're gonna do the artsy part of the video, I guess. And I'm pretty sure this is called a shallow box.
Shadow box.
Shadow box, okay. And we can paint the box, paint the fish, and we can use these glue dots and put like maybe the little fish or paint a fish in there.
Okay.
But this part comes out. Let's get started.